In today's video, we're diving into one of the most premium and visually aggressive 360mm AIO liquid coolers you can install in a modern gaming or creator PC build. This isn't just about temperature control anymore. This is about how cooling hardware becomes part of the overall design language of your setup. We're looking at a high-end white all-in-one liquid cooler built for powerful CPUs that demand serious thermal management. With a 360mm radiator paired with 3 high-performance ARGB fans, this cooler is engineered to handle sustained workloads like gaming, streaming, rendering, and multitasking without letting temperatures spiral out of control. Inside, it uses a proven pump design based on ASUS's latest generation solution, known in the industry for reliability and consistent cooling performance. That means you're getting a mature, well-tested cooling system rather than experimental hardware. But what immediately grabs attention is the design. The full white aesthetic across the radiator, tubing, and pump unit makes it an ideal choice for clean, modern PC builds. It fits perfectly into white-themed setups where every component is chosen for both performance and visual harmony. Then there's the RGB implementation. The addressable RGB fans and lighting elements aren't just decorative, they're fully customizable, allowing users to sync lighting effects with the rest of their system for a unified build experience. The real standout feature, however, is the integrated display on the pump block. Instead of a simple logo or static lighting, this cooler features a customizable screen capable of showing animations, system stats, or personalized visuals. This transforms the cooler from a passive component into a central visual element inside your PC case. It's the kind of feature that immediately draws attention the moment your system powers on. From a performance standpoint, a 360mm radiator setup like this is designed for high-end CPUs under heavy load. Whether you're pushing high frame rates in competitive gaming or running demanding productivity workloads, this cooler is built to maintain stable temperatures while keeping noise levels under control. Under lighter loads, it stays quiet, and even under pressure, it balances airflow and acoustics efficiently. Of course, at this level, the conversation isn't just about raw cooling performance. It's also about ecosystem value, design integration, RGB control, and visual presentation. That's where premium coolers like this position themselves, above standard thermal solutions. There are more affordable 360mm AIOs that can come close in temperature performance, but they don't offer the same visual identity or premium build experience. What you're paying for here is not just cooling efficiency, but also aesthetics and personalization. If your PC build is focused purely on performance per dollar, this might be more than you need. But if your system is meant to be displayed, customized, and visually impressive, this cooler becomes much more appealing. At the end of the day, modern PC cooling is no longer just a technical requirement. It's part of the experience. And this cooler is designed to be both a functional thermal solution and a visual centerpiece in your build.